DJI is committed to helping maintain safe airspace for all our users and the public. Our GEO systems has different levels of geofencing zones to help you choose the right flight location based on different policies around the world. If you have been authorized to operate in a GEO zone by the authorities, you can apply to unlock flight restrictions in authorization zones or restricted areas. There are two unlocking procedures, depending on the type of zone. Unlocking an authorization zone only requires a DJI user account to have its identity verified. When you take off inside or near an authorization zone, a flight restrictions warning will be shown in the app. Tap Yes and choose credit card or phone SMS for verification. After verification, tap the Confirm button to unlock the authorization zone. The unlocking license can be checked and managed in the app. You can also unlock an authorization zone on the Fly Safe section of DJI's official website before the flight. First, visit Self-Unlocking under Fly Safe on DJI's website. Select a zone for unlocking and the product model. Input your drone serial number and complete the identity verification. When the verification succeeds, you can launch the app and download the unlocking license. If you have the authorization to operate in a restricted zone, you can request custom unlocking under Fly Safe on DJI's website. Select your planned flight area, input your drone serial number, and submit documentation showing your authorization to fly in the designated area. After approval, an email copy of your request will be sent to you. Then you can launch the app and download the unlocking license. The required documentation may differ depending on the type of the designated zone and flight purpose. For more details, visit DJI's website or send an email to flysafe@dji.com. After your request is approved, the unlocking license needs to be downloaded before you can fly in the GEO zone. Connect the mobile device and drone. Launch the app. Go to the camera view. Select General Settings and select Unlocking License. Tap App and Sync to download the latest unlocking license. Tap Import to Aircraft. The drone's unlocking license will be updated and the original one will be replaced. Tap Aircraft and Sync. Check the unlocking license. The unlocking license can be turned on or off as required. After the unlocking license is enabled, the unlocked flight zone will be displayed in the app. To fly outside of the zone, turn off the unlocking license. To check the unlocking history, go to the home screen, Me, More, and My Unlock NFC application. Tap Refresh to update the local list. DJI provides a 24/7 unlocking service for GEO zones. After an unlocking request is submitted on DJI's website, we will reply to you within 1 hour. If you have any questions, send an email to flysafe@dji.com. Thank you for watching.